Welcome back to Ayansh Tutorials. This is Rajesh Singh and today lecture is very important because you are going to revise the story Madam Rides the Bus. The story Madam Rides the Bus illustrates the sensitive story of a young 8-year-old Tamil girl, Balimai. Bali was always curious to explore the outside world. She had no friends to play games with. So her favorite pastime was to stand in the doorway of her house and watch all that was happening on the street outside. She would watch people get on and off the bus that traveled between her village and the nearest town. The bus was filled with a new set of passengers, filled her with a sense of unending joy. She had a strong urge to take a bus ride to explore the adventurous bus journey. Hence, she collected information about the bus timings by listening to the conversations of the people taking the bus ride. Soon she learned that the bus journey from her village to the nearest town was approximately 6 miles. The bus fare cost 30 paise for a one-way ride. So Bali started saving enough money to take a ride on the bus. Bali planned to travel on the bus during the afternoon when her mother would be asleep. She stood on the roadside waiting for the bus. As the bus arrived, she told the conductor she wanted to go to town. The conductor happened to be a jovial person and referred to her as Madam and told her to hop into the bus and take her seat. She got into her bus quickly and noticed that the bus was painted in green and white color stripes and looked brand new. The bus seats were luxurious and the ride was comfortable. During her journey, Bali enjoyed looking at the greenery outside and scenic natural beauty of the bus. She was truly enjoying her bus ride and was amused when she saw a young cow that ran wildly in front of the bus and crossed the road. The driver blew the shrill horn as the cow crossed the road. This was a fascinating experience for Bali as she realized her dream of traveling on a bus had finally come true. As Bali enjoyed watching the beautiful landscape outside, the bus started getting empty as the passengers got down to their respective stops. Soon, the conductor asked her if she would like to roam about the stalls in the town, but she told him that she had limited money which she needed to take the return bus ride. The conductor casually smiled at her reply. Bali stayed on the bus and took a ticket from the conductor to return to her village. As the bus started again, she noticed a dead cow and realized that it was the same cow that had run wildly in front of her bus during her own journey to the town. Looking at the sight of the bleeding cow made her very sad, and she understood the meaning of life and death from this incident. Soon the bus dropped her at the bus stop near her home and she returned home just on time. Thus, no one in her family knew about her adventurous bus trip that she had taken all by herself without their knowledge. Now let me say few sentences in conclusion. Madam rides the bus explains the desire of a young girl to take a bus ride from her village to the nearest town. However, on her trip, an unfortunate incident taught her the meaning of life and death. Thus, the story comes to an end. Friends, this is very sensitive story and very important for 10th examinations. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.